PhotUtils at the moment, so it just got a very rapid pace of development last summer when Larry Bradley joined from the Space Telescope. So now there is source detections. Basically, he implemented the IRF source detections in it. There is background estimation, and what I really highlight that, which is already very good in there, is the aperture photometry, which might be slower than like SCP, but it's integrated with AstroPy. So you can give it to a sky coordinate object, it understands WCS, it returns results in a table, so it's really easy to integrate into your code that already uses AstroPy. So we had our first release in last December, so it's really, still there are loads of features missing. So please get involved. If you have a feature you need but you already have, then just please contribute it to the to PhotUtils and also use it. So we have documentation. This is our the main docs page. So there is a bit hidden getting started button there, which like a tutorial, not as fancy as a notebook, but as a tutorial, takes you through. You have a CCD image, and at the end you have your you get your fluxes and the sources that the fluxes was based on. So another point I would like to emphasize, so many in the room are interested in education, so please encourage your students to take part in the Google Summer of Code, because I found it a very efficient way from the student point of view to learn coding skills. So while there are mentors out there willing to sacrifice their time, then just as a student you should use it. And and also please be a mentor if you have time, because the number of students we could have in AstroPy is basically limited by the number of mentors and projects. So the takeaway message is there are loads of features missing in PhotUtils, but if you have that feature already in your photometry code, please just have one centralized photometry package. It's easier to maintain, it's easier to document, and it's easier to communicate to the public and the wider community. So that's it.
So I think if anyone wants to pair code / write tutorial / get Brigitta to teach you how to use PhotUtils this afternoon, that could be a really good tutorial to write.
Most important tutorial to write right now.
Yeah. So it would be really great if someone wants to spend the afternoon learning and teaching PhotUtils.
Yeah, so I'm not very good in writing tutorials, but I'm very happy to pair with someone who is good in that, and I know PhotUtils, so